Alright guys, so in order to replace the battery on your key fob, you'll need to take this key out. Push this lever down right here, push it down. Take your key out. Then you'll grab, don't use scissors, I'm just using scissors just because it's the only thing that I have. So you want to get like a flathead screwdriver and place the flathead into this little groove right here. There's a little groove here. Like this. That. And then you'll just pop it up. And then you should see it open a little like this. And then you'll fish your flathead throughout the key. And it should come off like this. Then you'll take this black piece out here and you'll see your old battery. Just slide your old battery out, get your new one, put it back in, make sure the cover's pressed all the way down, it's flush, and then you'll just snap the back piece on and just testing that it works, and there you go.